Hey guys, today we're talking about organizing seasonal clothes, and we're going to show you how we organize it so that we have our hats and gloves and scarves all in one place so that we don't have to look all over the house for it and the kids are able to find it themselves.
Yeah, it's starting to get a little bit colder here in Denmark, so it's about time we rotate the stuff that's out in the open and accessible with the stuff that's in storage downstairs in the basement. We're gonna do that and show you exactly what questions we ask ourselves along the way. Here's the deal. Lucas is sleeping upstairs. You've got to leave in about 35 minutes, so we don't have very much time to both do the seasonal clothes organization and actually finish recording this video. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go downstairs, grab the box with the winter clothes, bring it upstairs, empty it out, grab what we need, put those things in place, pack the summer clothes, put them away downstairs, and then we're done.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, I'm in the basement now. This is where we store all our seasonal clothes so that they're out of the way, but still we can get to them when we need them. So they're in here in boxes. So very convenient. Let's go upstairs. Now, I hate getting caught off guard and feeling like I'm one step behind or even just that I'm barely keeping up. That's what gives me overwhelmed. That's what gives me stress. So all the things I can do that will make it so that I don't get that feeling and actually do things before they become an issue, I do that. And this is one of those things. There we go.
So now we just have to go through this.
Yeah, so we're gonna take away what we absolutely need first, and coats, that's a big one. So I'll take everyone's winter coats and put them to the side. So Marco's, mine, yours, Ben's. Oh yeah, Emilia's, she outgrew that last year, so this is her fall thermo, and then she's gonna need a new snowsuit. So then we have Marcus's snow pants, of course. That's it. The rest of this pile here are the scarves, the hats, the gloves. Now, stuff like this just multiplies. You always get like 3 or 4 pairs for Christmas, you buy some when they're on sale, like a dollar rack. This stuff multiplies and you end up having like millions of single gloves, and we don't want that. So we're gonna go through this and see exactly what we need, and then we'll put it in place. What do we have here? Let me just put all the gloves and hats and stuff together so I know what we've got. Gloves, gloves, hat, scarf, gloves, gloves, scarf, hat, hat, hat. There we go. Okay, 3 piles. Now, hats, let's start there. I know Lucas has a bunch of stuff downstairs in his baby stuff. We'll get that later. This is his only hat we have here. So, 1 hat for Lucas, 1 hat for Emilia, and for me, and for Bine. And then 1 hat for Marcus. He has 2 extras. Take this one for him. Now we all have 1 hat here. Emilia has 2 extras and Marcus has 1 extra. They're not gonna need more than 1 hat per person because if they don't lose it, that's enough. So we'll put these back in the box, put downstairs, have it as like an overflow. Woo! 1 hat per person. Okay, gloves, same thing here. I need 1 pair. Oh. Bine. Do you even have any, Bine?
I don't think so.
No, you don't. So, gloves is a different thing. Kids might need more than 1 pair because they go out and throw snowballs and they get soaked. So, I'll take 2 pairs per kid. 1 pair of these for Marcos and then 1 of the woolen ones for him. He loves those. His great-grandma makes them for him. Okay, Emilia, she also gets frozen ones and a pair of the woolen ones. And Lucas, he gets woolen ones. No, there they are. His woolen ones. That means the rest of these here, this one's a single one.
Sad.
Oh, the other one's here. Whew, good. Okay, so the rest of these we'll put down in the overflow. Scarves, same dealio. Bine, this is one I like the best. This one you're getting. This one is also yours. And didn't you have another one? And this one. So you get 1. Marcus, he has this Manchester United one. There you go. Emilia gets this one. That is coupled with this because that's fashion. I get 2 because different things match with my clothes. So this one I like. It's really warm and fluffy and pretty. And then I get this one because it goes with my darker clothes. This one is also mine. Downstairs. Okay, so we narrowed it down, and this here is a manageable amount of stuff for a family of 5. it will multiply because it always does. And we don't have a ton of space to keep it in. Actually, the only space we have is right in here. So right now it's full of our summer shoes mostly, and then rain clothes. So this we'll take out, put it down in the basement, and then this can go in here. So we have these labels here. We always meant to laminate them and have them up, but we just never got around to it. So instead of waiting around for a few months, then we just put them up, paper, tape, there you go. They're still working after 2 years. So this says hats, scarves, gloves, so obviously that's where they go, but first we have to get out all of the summer sandals, which we really don't need anymore. So we put those in the box where we used to have our winter attire, because we don't need these until it's warmer again. Rain boots will go somewhere else. And then the rain clothes here will end up on the bottom one here. There we go. Time to put this stuff in. Okay. So we're not using any boxes in here. Usually I definitely prefer using boxes because it's easier for the kids to take it out and not get it messed up everywhere. But this cabinet is so oddly shaped with the pipes coming here. You can fit like a small box here and a small box here, and you really wouldn't utilize this space. So we want the most out of the space because it's all we got, and therefore we're not using boxes. But it's still working. And because they have the labels here, they stay within those areas. And the kids actually are able to do that. So organizing our seasonal clothes, we put it all into place. This is what we ended up with. We have as little in there as possible because that makes the kids be able to find what they need, and it makes them more accountable for the things that they actually have. If they have one hat in here, they'll make sure to bring that hat home and put it in place. That's it. 35 minutes is up. Lucas just woke up and I need to leave, so we got everything put away. We'll handle putting the summer clothes into the basement afterwards. I'm back, and we're just gonna finish up here by taking all the summer coats and putting them away with the summer shoes. So here we have one of Mia's many summer coats. She has one more that's like a half summer, half winter one at school. So I'll put this away because she doesn't need more than one. Also, Binna's summer coat, my summer coat, Binna's in-between coat, we'll save that, my in-between coat. And then I have another one of my summer coats. And then this one shouldn't really be here. It should be upstairs in my wardrobe. So that goes upstairs then. I'll put these in the box, and then it's time to put the box downstairs.
Nailed it.
Okay, putting the coats away now. And means we're almost done. Bins and mine over here. There we go. And we're all set up for when the cold hits, which it will pretty soon. And this is super nice because that means that when the cold hits, that first morning, my kids are gonna show up to school in the appropriate gear, and I'm gonna feel like a good mom. And also because then they won't be cold. All we have left to do now is just take the 2 boxes downstairs. One is for all the summer shoes and summer coats, and the other one for the overflow of scarves and hats and gloves, so that when our kids' gloves get wet, then we know exactly where to go get the 3rd pair that they might need. This here is a little bit of a different kind of video than our usual videos are. It's more of an on-the-go type deal. If you like this, then give us a like and let us know in the comments below. And we'll love to make more of this kind of stuff for you in the future.
So we're gonna put the summer clothes a little bit further away because we want the overflow box to be a little bit more accessible. As you can see, we've got a couple of suitcases here. We just reorganized all of this space down here in anticipation for my niece coming over. She's gonna be living with us for the next few months. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of space, and it can be really tricky to make sure you hit the right balance between like decluttering stuff that you don't need of and then organizing the rest of it in a way that actually makes sense. So we made a couple of guides to help you along the way to both declutter and organize, and we put those on our website. We put the links down below, so check those out when you get the chance, and we'll see you next week.
So, let's go over here.
Let's go.
Why were you reporting over there?
This is the next thing. This is what we...
I know! But that's what came to my mind, okay? So, let's go.